Hello everyone. Wow, we are in day 5 of our 7 days health challenge. Thank you so much. I'm really glad and grateful that you all are participating of this challenge and you're enjoying this challenge. So what's the today's challenge? Day 5 challenge. Day 5 challenge is 10 minutes of movement. What it means, it doesn't mean that you need to go to gym and do proper exercise. If you can do it, that would be really good. If you do 1 hour, 2 hour proper exercise, that would be really good. You have to do some exercise. But if you're not doing, at least start with 10 minutes. It will be preferred that if you can do the moment you wake up in the morning. If not possible in the morning, at least any day during the day, you can do at least 10 minutes in any form, whatever you like, whether it's form of dancing, whether it's form of stretching, whether it's form of jumping jack, whether it's form of morning walk, whether it's form of yoga, anything, but you just move your body. That is very important. So just try to move your body. So please move your body for 10 minutes and let me know in the group that what kind of movement you did. Either did yoga or you did walking, you did anything, you can write. If you are done proper gymming and like proper exercise, that also you can share. I love to see what you are doing to move your body. That is very important. So today's challenge is 10 minutes of movement. And again, count your evidence. That is very important. Count your score. In every day, you have to count your score, and consciously you can just jot down your score, cumulative score of exercise, of food, right food, positive thoughts, everything, and you can just count your score and just share your score also. It's fun. All the best. Bye. Take care.